Big shout out to all the people watching me in the tractor cabs. First start up the combine, it's about to come out. Still rock a bit. Paddles back on. There's George doing a bit of driver training. Just getting this oil speed set up on this mower. Getting all the pipes the right way around. I just did a bit of training on how to put a PTO shaft on safely. Looks like I'll have to teach him how to get out of a cab safely. Got to look after those knees. So we're doing lots of watering. Very hot this week. Hopefully the last big push. Oh, that's a near miss. Perfect. Oh, look at that. The right gear. We'll set the angle of the turntable on here. Not that way. Look down there, see if it's about right. A little bit up beyond. So it's blissfully hot. Just trying to make most of this while everybody's combining. We're just trying to keep all these waterers watering. These are lovely. So yeah. Forgot where I was at now. Oh yeah, legs down. Anyway, yeah, George just fetched the combine header, which is quite exciting. And I think he's just hoping to not do this today because he wants to be in the shade. Little bit of alternaria coming in now. It's those bits on the leaves. Yeah, the flowering in another week, so I think they'll all be about gone. Shame because they look beautiful. So while we're not combining, it's all washed and ready, nearly. Got two guys out watering, and I'm just doing some of this cavern. And so when it's too hot outside, we're all spending a bit of time on this, doing these few little odds and sods. We keep finding more bits to do. So we've got all the white bits done on the packer. They go like that. Just about to see them. Stops clods getting on the wrong side of the scraper. Got all the wearing metal off the subsoiler legs. I get them from AgriLink possibly next week. And then we've noticed some of these springs here. These are the spring leg protection. That one there is really flat, so that'd be a really jingly leg. So I'm gonna hit that one now. So I'm just doing a leg repair on this covering disc for the Kverneland. It's another job I didn't expect to have to do. So these holes are all sloppy. So I've filled them up with weld. And now I'm just going to tiddle them out with a die grinder. Like there's another one here. Just welded them up. Done. That's that done. Yes, it's all complete. Like I say, another job I didn't think I'd have to do. Anything remaining now, I've got a bolt snapped on the underside of there, but I'm going to have to slacken the leg bolts, lower it down, take the springs off, pop a bolt in. So it's a bit of a kerfuffle. Yeah, okay. Because it's been stood so long, I'm just going to run the don't know what you call it, down the bolt just to clean this rust off the threads. It's the perils of leaving stuff outside. I'm doing it dry because when I WD-40'd it, it tends to not cut the rust off as much. Looks just as shit. One I've got to put the pin on first. Because once it's in there, you can't get the pin on. Whoa. There we go. Ooh. I'll put that pin in while it's there. We'll have a fly through. Yeah, so George is here, he's greasing up, getting ready for probably next week on the peas. Got the trusty Renault out.
Mega driver.
Not a great deal to do to it really, is there?
Not really. It's just these awkward ones to get, and that's about the hardest job.